Hello, and welcome to our lesson on lean inventory management. In this segment, we shall continue discussing creating the lean supply chain. The three primary elements of a lean supply chain: lean supply, lean transportation, just-in-time Kanban systems. Establishing a lean supply system is the primary step in building a lean supply chain, involving frequent material deliveries to meet immediate needs. Key features include a commitment to zero defects, small and frequent shipments adhering to quality standards, close buyer-seller relationships, stable production schedules, and robust electronic information sharing. For an efficient lean value chain, meticulous supply planning is crucial, emphasizing the financial health, growth potential, and continuous improvement capability of all players. It's essential to integrate supplier engineers and materials managers, even if managing second-tier suppliers is not a priority for some companies. The foundation of effective supply planning lies in well-developed commodity strategies, each major spend area requiring a documented strategy with goals and ongoing monitoring. Continuous cost improvement throughout the supply chain, based on identifying critical cost drivers, forms the basis for showcasing the contribution of supply management to organizational profit goals. Collaborative efforts between customers and suppliers to eliminate non-value-added activities benefit both sides of the relationship. Western companies face obstacles hindering the adoption of lean supply practices, stemming from inherent barriers within the Western business system and culture. Although industries are affected differently, fortunately, some of these barriers are not as great as they were when JIT Lean first became popular during the early and mid-1980s. Important barriers include the following: geographically dispersed supply base. Many purchasers deal with suppliers located far away, making it challenging to ensure consistent and reliable deliveries, a crucial element of lean supply. Historical buyer-seller relationships. Traditional adversarial relationships between U.S. buyers and sellers hinder the cooperative mindset required for effective lean supply. Building mutual trust and respect is essential. Excessive number of suppliers. Some supply chains remain burdened by an overly large number of suppliers, making it difficult to implement an efficient lean system. Streamlining the supply base is vital to minimize interaction and communication costs. Supplier quality performance. Achieving the near-perfect quality demanded by lean supply is not universally met by all sellers. A commitment to impeccable product and delivery quality is a prerequisite for the successful implementation of a lean system. Lean transportation, the second element of a lean supply chain, refers to the efficient movement of goods between the buyer and seller. This involves frequent deliveries of smaller quantities directly to the point of use at the purchaser. A lean transportation network relies on company-owned or contracted vehicles that pick up and deliver on a regular and repeatable schedule. This repeatable schedule, also called a closed-loop system, moves goods from supplier to purchaser, and then from purchaser back to supplier with return material, such as containers. Long-term dedicated contract carriage replaces commercial carriage as the primary mode of transportation in a closed-loop transportation system. The figure compares a traditional delivery system with a just-in-time delivery system. In a traditional system, the supplier and purchaser must coordinate their material requirements or production schedules. Suppliers produce material and then store that material, awaiting an order from the purchaser. In a lean system, suppliers coordinate production schedules with customers' schedules. Production moves from the supplier's work center to the carrier and directly to the purchaser. Designing a lean transportation network involves certain steps. Streamline carrier selection by consolidating to one per region. Secure longer-term contracts to formalize dedicated transportation networks. Integrate GPS and mobile technology with suppliers and carriers for efficient material movement. Adopt a closed-loop system with regular pickups, utilizing returnable containers to reduce waste. Handle material efficiently. Use state-of-the-art material handling equipment and technology. Lean transportation systems feature certain innovations that can further eliminate supply chain waste. Employ specialized, efficient, and versatile transportation vehicles for easy loading and unloading of smaller quantities. Embrace the use of returnable plastic or steel containers, promoting sustainability by leaving empty containers for reuse during material pickups. Implement point-of-use stores at production facilities to reduce wasteful material handling and travel within the facility, ensuring deliveries occur in close proximity to where the material is needed. Developed along with the Lean movement, JIT Kanban systems are a production control approach employing simple signaling mechanisms like cards or empty containers to manage the flow of goods through the supply chain. Unlike planning tools, Kanban systems act as control mechanisms, responding to downstream demand to pull parts or goods through the supply chain. They are adaptable for synchronization within a plant or between different supply chain partners, serving a crucial role in both production activity control and supplier order management systems. Despite their effectiveness, most Kanban systems do not require computerization. As we noted before, cards are not the only signaling method used in a Kanban system. Some other methods include the following. Single card systems. The single card is the production card, and the empty container serves as the move signal. Color coding of containers. Designated storage spaces. Computerized barcoding systems. Lean Supply enhances business outcomes by reducing product and process defects through targeted improvements in key aspects of the manufacturing system. Successful implementation requires management commitment is crucial for successful Lean deployment. This involves dedicated resources, performance-based metrics tied to incentives, and a commitment to drive the Lean vision throughout the company. Improvement activities should target aspects of the process directly impacting business objectives like profitability and customer satisfaction. Lean adoption solely for trendiness or executive whim is destined to fail. Implementing Lean methodologies demands time, discipline, and effort. Leadership must assign dedicated individuals to drive continuous improvement and integrate new approaches into the organization. Lean production requires disciplined methodologies such as value stream mapping, measurement, action plans, implementation of changes, and continuous improvement. Improvements are ongoing and become ingrained in the organization's management culture. Decision-making should be grounded in facts and data, not influenced by opinions or preferences. Acknowledging broken processes and embracing change are essential for successful Lean transformation. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss approaches for managing inventory investment. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.